This week we're going to take a didactic look at sacadas as they might be danced in a social situation. Not large or grandiose as en scène or fantasia. From the forward walk after salida, lead the lady for ocho atrás, stepping between her feet for entrada. The lady's normal rotation will in effect cause the sacada. Step back, bringing the feet together while leading the lady to a second ocho atrás. Repeat the sequence for as many times as you desire. To effect sentada, step just a little closer to her back foot after her ocho. Wait for her balance and then release her into sentada. Roll the embrace to lead her out of sentada. Then standing straight up, take 3 small steps backwards while the lady dances molinete around the man. Repeat sentada on the opposite side. Come out in the same manner, leading 2 forward ochos for the lady and resolution or walks as desired.